What do wallboard for luxury mobile homes, built-in pool liners, airplane seats, and institutional mattresses have in common? They all require a lamination process or a process known as gravure printing. Hi, my name is Fran Brunelle. I'm the president of Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers, Inc. We specialize in lower middle market manufacturing companies nationally. My firm has listed just such a company. They are based in the Northeast. It's a multi-generational company. Cash flow is incredible. And they have over 90% repeat business. Customer relationships span not years, but decades. The customer relationships are incredibly long and strong. Some of their largest customers have been acquired multiple times, and the relationship between all of the different iterations of their customer and my client the relationship has remained so strong. So this is a good, strong cash flow company. It's been great to multi-generations of this family. At September 30th, their revenue is up 16% and their net earnings are up 86%. If you're in the Northeast and you're looking to acquire a manufacturing company, oftentimes my firm we have very strict vetting procedures. A lot of what we do is aerospace or medical instrument related, and you really need to have strong experience. In this case, the sellers are open to anyone with appropriate financial qualification and an entrepreneurial spirit. They're very concerned about the business remaining where it is. They want future opportunity for the staff, but at least one of the shareholders, possibly two, are willing to stay with an acquiring entity. So it's a really good situation. Listen, reach out to us, 908-387-1000, or email us, info@acceleratedmfgbrokers.com. We look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for listening and have a fabulous day, everybody.